Welcome back to the channel. Jen here from Blogging Bulletin. In this video, we're going to go over Ahrefs Part 2, how to use Ahrefs for SEO and competitor research. We're going to be specifically looking at the also rank for section of the site. Let's let this load and get into it. All right, now getting started. When you first type in your keyword into Ahrefs, you're going to be taken over to this overview page. And I went over this page and what it means, what these numbers and what the color scale means. You can check out the first video, part 1, to learn more about that. From here, click on Also Rank For. And this report is going to show you keywords that the top ranking pages for your target keyword also rank for in the top 100 search results. So looking at your competitors that rank for this term, running shoes for beginners, in addition to ranking for this term in their content, they also rank for these terms here. So you can see how finding one good keyword and then adding other keywords from this also rank for section with these search volumes can really get you a ton of traffic from just one piece of content. This is 27 pages of keywords, over 1,300, that your competitors are also ranking for in addition to this primary target keyword. Now, this is how to use this page. When you land here, you're going to want to try to find high volume, low competition keyword ideas. These keywords are going to be easiest for you to rank for quickly. To do that, you're going to go over to keyword density and set it from a minimum 1 up to a max of 10. And then for your volume, you're going to want the monthly volume to be 1,000 plus. Whoops. There we go. And then what you'll get to once this loads are some potential keywords that you want to target that are high volume, low competition. You can see we didn't find anything here, so we're going to go back and adjust our filters. All right, so I went back and changed this to 1 to 25. And these are also low competition. I like to go to like to go up to 25 when I do my basic keyword research. So this gave us 4 keywords that have high volume, low competition. So these are the ones you want to include in your content. And if you want to target even more keywords, you can definitely play around with these filters. You can change it to a minimum of 500 or 250 or whatever you want to. Now this page gives you tons of information. We have your keyword density, your volume, the global volume, number of clicks, and what I love here, parent topic. It says here parent topic determines if you can rank for your target keyword while targeting a more general topic on your page instead. So these are the parent topics, which can give you some awesome ideas for what to title or create your content around. All right, so I made another small change. I changed the volume to a minimum of 100 here to give us more keywords. And so once you do this and you get at least around 50 keywords, you're going to want to sort by parent topic. We'll let that work. All right, so from here, you can take a look and find parent topics that are the same and how many keywords are for each one. Like this one here, most comfortable Nike shoes. There are 2 different keyword terms for that. How should running shoes fit? This has 3 different keywords. And so this just gives you a better idea of what kind of keywords are found under these parent topics. All right, guys, I hope that's been helpful. This wraps up our video, part 2 to Ahrefs SEO keyword research tool for SEO and competitor research. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Bye.